Hello guys, welcome to Supplement tutorial. We are asked to find AC. Alright, to find AC, I will need this side and this side. So I will use 17 and 8 to find this side. This is a right angle triangle. To solve that, I'll solve Pythagoras theorem, which says that h squared is equal to o squared plus a squared. Now to solve with 17 and 8, I will substitute 17 is the longest side, which is h, equal to my O, the opposite I don't know, plus adjacent, which is 8, I will square. Then we'll collect like terms. Square of 17 is 289. Then bring 8 over. Square of 8 is 64, equal to O squared. Then we'll subtract. Here subtracting here will give me 225, equal to O squared. Take the square root of the both sides. Taking the square root of the both sides will give me 15 as my O. So here is 15. So to get this side now, I will say 15 and here, which means BC is 20. 8 plus 12 is 20. So to solve that, I will have Pythagoras theorem again. Right? Then we'll substitute. We are looking for h this time. So I'll say h squared is equal to my O is 15 squared, which we have just found, plus the other side adjacent, which is 20. 15 squared will give me 225, plus 20 squared is 400. Adding both, I'll have 625. Then if I take the square root of the both sides, I'll find my h as 25. So the side AC is equal to 25. Thank you for watching. Please follow my page and like this video.